Let me start with something uncomfortable, but important. Most men are not struggling in intimate moments because they lack attraction, skill, or effort. They're struggling because they're making one mistake almost automatically. And the worst part, they don't even realize they're doing it. This single habit quietly reduces connection, lowers enjoyment, and creates pressure where there should be ease. I've worked with couples for years who believed their chemistry was fading, when in reality, they were repeating the same invisible pattern. Today, I'm going to show you what that mistake is, why almost every man falls into it, and how fixing it changes confidence, satisfaction, and connection almost immediately. Stay with me because the mistake sounds small, but its impact is massive. Here it is. The bedroom mistake almost every man makes is turning intimacy into a performance, not intentionally, but mentally. You start thinking, am I doing enough? Am I lasting long enough? Is this working? Am I good at this? The moment those thoughts begin, your brain shifts roles. You stop experiencing and start evaluating. That shift changes everything because performance mode activates pressure, and pressure is the enemy of pleasure. When you feel evaluated, even by yourself, your nervous system detects stress. Your body moves slightly toward fight or flight mode. Heart rate rises, breathing shortens, muscle tension increases. And here's the paradox. The harder you try to perform well, the less natural everything feels. Confidence drops, connection weakens, enjoyment decreases for both partners, not because attraction disappeared, but because presence disappeared. Most men were never taught intimacy. They learned from silence, guesswork, unrealistic expectations, and pressure to be good. So naturally, they approach intimacy like a task to succeed at. Solve the problem, deliver results, do it right. But intimacy is not a task. It's a shared experience, and experiences cannot be optimized through anxiety. They can only be felt through attention. Here's something surprising. Partners rarely evaluate technical details the way men assume. What they notice most is emotional state. Are you relaxed? Are you attentive? Are you connected? When someone feels you are mentally present, their body relaxes. Relaxation increases responsiveness. Responsiveness increases pleasure. This is biology, not opinion. The body responds to safety faster than skill. Here's how the mistake becomes a cycle. You try harder, pressure increases. Pressure increases, awareness drops. Awareness drops, connection weakens. Connection weakens, confidence falls. Then, next time, you try even harder, and the loop repeats. Many men believe they need better technique. What they actually need is less internal pressure. If this is already making sense, comment present below, because the moment you understand this shift, confidence starts returning naturally. And if you want honest, psychology-based conversations about confidence, performance, and connection, subscribe now. This channel is about learning what nobody explained growing up. Before we continue, this video and channel are for educational purposes only and do not provide medical advice. Always consult a qualified professional for medical concerns. Now let's talk about the fix, because it's simpler than most people expect. Instead of asking, am I doing this right? Ask, what is happening right now? Notice breathing. Notice reactions. Notice rhythm. Attention replaces anxiety. When attention increases, synchronization naturally improves. You stop guessing. You start responding. And responsiveness is what creates memorable experiences. Another hidden mistake connected to performance mode is speed. Many men increase intensity when unsure, but faster movement often reduces awareness. Slower pacing allows both partners to stay connected to sensation. Slowing down gives the nervous system time to stay relaxed. Relaxed nervous systems experience stronger pleasure. This is why slowing down often creates stronger reactions, not weaker ones. Real confidence is not dominance or complexity. It's calm regulation, steady breathing, unrushed movement, comfort with pauses. When you are calm, your partner's body mirrors that calm. Human nervous systems synchronize automatically. That synchronization creates trust, and trust amplifies enjoyment. Next time, try this. At least once, slow everything down intentionally for 10 seconds. No rushing, no thinking ahead, just stay present. You'll notice something surprising. Connection increases immediately because presence communicates attention without words. You don't need to impress your partner. You need to experience the moment with them. Most dissatisfaction doesn't come from lack of ability. It comes from lack of presence, and presence is a skill anyone can learn. Once pressure disappears, confidence rebuilds naturally. If this video changed how you think about intimacy, share it with someone who needs to hear this, because almost every man is trying harder when what actually works is slowing down and paying attention. Drop a comment and tell me, have you ever noticed yourself going into performance mode? I read every comment. And if you want to build real confidence, deeper connection, and better experiences backed by psychology and science, subscribe and turn on notifications. New videos every week. Remember, the biggest mistake isn't lack of skill, it's forgetting to be present. And the moment you return to presence, everything changes. I'll see you in the next video.